Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to give access to Grafana dashboards by managing permissions at the folder level, which is the most efficient way to handle multiple dashboards at once. Let's get into it. First, navigate to the Dashboards Browse view. In the 2026 Grafana interface, bulk permissions are handled through the central dashboard repository rather than individual panel settings. Click the Dashboards icon in the primary left-hand navigation menu. This will open the Browse view, where you can see all your folders like Production, Infrastructure, or Finance. Find the folder containing the dashboards you want to share. Next, use the Folder Actions drop-down. Click the folder. We're going to use the Quick Action menu to jump straight to the security settings. Look at the top right menu and click on the Folder Actions drop-down menu. From the list of options, select Manage Permissions. What's inside? This screen shows the inherited permissions for that entire folder. Any change you make here will automatically apply to every current and future dashboard stored inside this folder. Lastly, add and save user permissions. Now you can grant access to a specific teammate. Just remember that the user must have logged into your Grafana instance at least once to appear in the search. Click the Add a Permission button. In the Add Permission For dropdown, select User. Search for the person by their username or email. Choose the appropriate level. View, they can only watch the data. Edit, they can create new dashboards or modify existing ones within this folder. Admin, they can manage other people's access to this folder. Click Save. The user now has instant access to every dashboard in that folder without you having to share links one by one. And that's pretty much it. To give access in 2026, navigate to Dashboards, open the Folder Actions dropdown, and select Manage Permissions. By adding a user here, you save time by managing access at the container level rather than editing individual dashboards. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.